you have a dull skin? Do you have issue like dark spots on your face? Do you have issue like acne on your face? Do you have sunburn on your skin? Or do you need a very good mild soap to use on your skin? In this video, I'm going to review on one of the best affordable soap from Thailand. This soap helps you to achieve even tone skin. This soap glows the skin, it's lighting the skin, it's brightening the skin. And one thing I love about this soap is that it smells so nice. Beautiful people, in this video I will be reviewing on Asantee Rice Milk Soap with Collagen. Hey lovers, this soap is from Thailand, and Asantee soap is one of the best affordable soap in the market, and this soap has been trending. It's good for all skin type. Everybody can use it. A dark skin person can use it, a child can use it, a fair skin person can use it. Everybody can use this soap. In this video, I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that is used to formulate Asantee Rice Milk Soap made with collagen. I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin. I'll go ahead and share with you guys who should use this soap, even though it's for all skin type, but it's not really recommended for sensitive skin people. And also I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin, how you should use it properly to achieve the skin tone that you want, and also the side effects of not using this soap very well. This soap improves skin tone. It helps you to achieve a very nice skin tone. Asantee Rice Milk Soap is good for everybody. It's formulated with healthy ingredients and it nourishes the skin. It exfoliates the skin. It's brightening the skin and it's lightening the skin. It's formulated for all skin type. Everybody can use it. But if you are a sensitive skin person, please be critical careful when using this soap, okay, based on the ingredients that are used to formulate it. Sometimes when you are a sensitive skin person and you use this soap, you will notice certain reactions and irritations on your skin, okay. One thing I've noticed about this soap is that it smells very nice, okay. Now I would like to mention some few ingredients that is used to formulate this soap. They used honey, they used rice milk, they use aha with collagen, they use sodium hydroxide solution, they use palm oil, they use water, they use fragrance as well. These are ingredients that are used to formulate Asantee rice and milk soap with collagen, okay. If you have issue with pimples, you have issue with dark spots on your face, this soap is one of the best soap that treats this kind of problems on your face, okay. If you have rashes on your skin, you can grab this soap and use on your skin to clear the rashes on your skin, okay. It also improve skin texture, okay, and it's improve even tone skin. It clears dark armpit, it clears dark inner thigh, it brightens the skin, it glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very firm, and it's lighting the skin when you use it consistently. You are supposed to use it morning and evening. If you are a dry skin person, you have a tough skin, you can add water to the soap, apply it on your skin for 15 minutes to 20 minutes before bathing. Take note, there are people with sensitive face, so please do not use the soap direct on your face. If you use it direct on your face and you notice certain reactions on your face, you should please avoid using it on your face. But then you can get a face towel, a cotton face towel, or anything that can be used to wash the face. Just add some of the soap on it, add water to it, and use it to wash the face very well. Please use it with wisdom so that you can be able to achieve the results that you want. Some few side effects I've noticed about this soap is that it reacts to the skin, or it irritates the skin, and also it gives you itches when you use it on the skin. So normally the side effects really affects people with sensitive skin. Okay, it's good for everybody. It's good for a child from 2 years or 5 years and above can use it to glow the skin. I have used it before, and trust me, I really love the review. It's a friend who recommended the soap to me. And you know, Asantee soap, they don't only have the rice and milk soap, they have the one made with pawpaw and honey, the one made with carrot and honey, they have the tamarinda, they have a whole lot, and they are soaps from Thailand. I always tell you people that Thailand produces quality bathing soap. They produce soap that really helps the skin to glow. So if you need a very good soap to use, you can grab any of the Asantee soaps and use. It helps the skin to glow. It makes the skin firm. It brightens the skin. It nourishes the skin. It lightens the skin. And it also helps you achieve even toned skin. Lovers, if you have ever used Asantee rice and milk soap with collagen, please share your testimony with me or under the video. And if you don't understand anything, please ask questions. Kindly do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.